Hi, third graders. For today's phonics activity, you're going to be playing a memory or a concentration game, and you're going to be looking for antonyms. You'll play with a partner. You and your partner will take turns moving two cards to see if you can find two words that are antonyms. So all you have to do is click and drag the top part off of each word. Begin, below, those are not antonyms, so I would put the card back over the top, and it would be my partner's turn. They would take a turn. Awake and dead, those are not antonyms, so I would put those, cover those back up. You and your partner are going to take turns drawing two cards to find out if they are antonyms. If you find a match of antonyms, then you have a second screen that you will go to, and you and your partner will both type in words for the antonyms that you find. So if I find a match, and let's say maybe dead and alive is my match, I would put it here, word 1 and word 2, and then my partner would also type that in on their screen. So every time we find a match, it doesn't matter who finds it, we both type it in. So have fun playing concentration with your partner, finding antonyms and typing them in.